Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be doing a challenge in slap battles. So, you may know about the Island Swap game mode in slap battles. Arguably the best game mode they've added. I'm gonna be sad in a week when this is gone. But in that week, I'm giving myself a challenge. I have a whole week to find the secret map that they quietly added recently. If you don't know what this secret map is, it has a 0.1% chance of spawning. In the voting section, it's just a big jumble of symbols and letters, and the image is just a black screen. The map itself is a black box with eyes for the textures of the walls. So with all that said, we're gonna be grinding for the next week to try to get this. And let's start. Alright, so obviously this isn't it, but we got the timer up there. 3 minutes until the next map. I do love this map though, don't get me wrong. Oh come on dude, a Reaper to spoil the fun. Oh, he died. Okay, good. Yeah, you're not living, bro. Wait, how did I die? If you touch the shark, does it kill you, dude? Alright, I'm gonna get this kid. Oh my god, how did I miss? Dude, he saved me. The mice saved me. I missed the jump so bad. Oh my god, I'm cooked, bro. This is absolute chaos, dude. I'm literally... Okay, I'm gonna get this guy. Yo, I'm floating. Bro, Rob is legit swimming. This is insane. I guess terraformed. I guess. We did not get the secret map. This map is kind of weird. It's like too big to PvP on. Let's explore the map a little though. So it looks like they made the cloud huge. Sure is a fort. They chained up Castle Island. It looks like it was the same. The lava still works. Can sure tell you that tower's new. Let's see what's up there. Okay, here we go. And what is that? Oh, it's some creepy witch thing. That's so slap. That is like for them to do. I'm not even surprised, bro. Fire beat though. Don't get me wrong. Get to the knoll. I don't know if I have enough juice, and I can't. That's fine. Out of commission. Oh, it's a broken cannon. Keep it death. Got its own little mountain. Alright, obviously not our secret map. I'm gonna pick Slapshores though. Oh my god, even the default's different. That's so funny. I love that. I went in the default and that's different. I didn't know that. I'm gonna reset because I don't want to use default. Free food. Wouldn't I be dead by now? I think I'd be dead by now. Am I unkillable? It's a fisher. Okay, slap me in. Will the shark come and get me? No, I'm unkillable. I'm not gonna bug abuse though. That's weird. So I guess if you go from the default and go back down, you can't die. That needs to be patched for sure. Please do not bug abuse that, guys. That will get you banned. Back to using Rob. So yeah, this is the default map, except it's just all beach themed. I love it. I think this should be the summer event. There's even a yacht. This is just the best yacht ever. Just look at it. Just so nice. That truck was after me. I didn't even realize. Where even am I? There's quite a bit of cats. Oh god. Dude. Chill, bro. It's just goob. Wandering is a terrible sin. Where am I?
There's something bad about to happen to me.
Am I in a secret room? I am. What? This is funny. I love how they made a whole secret area. That is really glitchy. These on the island swap game mode. Freedom. I want to check out that duck. Oh, I like the pit. That was my cool hit effect.
Oh my god, no!
Rocket Man! FNAF into the pit.
I'm gonna take your toes in there. 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 That's what he said before. Throw me out the window. So romantic.
Okay, guys, to make this hunt faster, I'm gonna server hop. This would take like years if I were to wait the full 5 minutes. And boom, there you go. Only 1 minute. Oh my god, I got immediately put into a redacted. I thought I found something. What? I was thrown immediately into a redacted portal, and I checked the right door. I'm server hopping again. Let's see, what's the time? 3 minutes. I mean, I like this map, but... Yeah, there we go, 2 minutes, much better. I'm gonna use Rob and see if I can, like, find more secret areas. Try this again. But I want to see what that duck is, so it's perfect. Alright, let's see if I can make it. Rob cannot swim. I just can't do it in the water. Oh, no. Why is Rob swimming? Rob, stop. It's this guy again. It's the same thing. What the? Dang it. 2 minutes I can do that. That's not bad. 2 minutes on this. Yeah. Why do people actually vote for this map? Okay. We didn't get the secret one. You know, I feel like this could all just be a hoax. What if it's like not real and I just like waste a week of my life? I mean, hopefully it doesn't take a full week. It shouldn't take that long. Ooh, 40 seconds, that's nice. Oh, I love this one, the Slap Royale one. They did an incredible job. This one is sick. I really go into this one. You phase through everything with Rob. Nope, new server. I can do 2.5 minutes. Oh my god, I hate this map, bro. Yes, How did he kill me in Rob form? What? Sure. Bro, what is this trade? What? I guess. Bro, no way I just got the grandson. I was like, dude, how? If I can just get this randomly, I think that's a good sign that my luck's good. Grug. Okay, new server. A minute, good. Man, Slapshores is a popular map. I've gotten this like 10 times already. Oh. Bro. Server hop again. 1 minute and it's, oh my god, it's a spinner map, dude. I hate this map. No, Post, don't join me. I'm gonna be stuck in this same server forever. Post! No! I guess I'll have to block somebody. So I don't keep getting in this server. Goodbye, Bob Gaming fan. It's nothing personal. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I have to leave you behind, my friend. You will be missed, Baba Gaming. Oh, and another server. Oh my god. This is gonna be miserable. Why Post? Different server? No. Okay, I'm inviting Post. Post, you're going back to the... Please, Post. Please. Oh my god. I'm done, dude. Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of trying to find the secret map. So yesterday, as we know, Post killed my run. No, I'm joking. A new glove came out though, so let's check it out. I don't know if it's a badge glove week or a slap glove week. I cannot remember. It looks, oh yeah, Grill Master just came out. Let's see what everyone else is using because I do not feel like trying to find it. Everyone is using Pinwheel. Is that the new one? Yeah, Pinwheel. What? Wait, was Pinwheel already a glove? Okay. So I can bowl. The 10 doesn't do anything, it's just my max. I'm guessing it just does knockback. This glove sucks.
You know something? You suck.
Oh, I hit him. It's self-defense. Oh, my coconuts despawned because it thought I died when I went in the water. Oh, the ones on the floor roll. Fungal overgrowth? No, pick this one. Oh my god, why are we picking this? Anyway, new server, back to Pinwheel. I don't know what regular Pinwheel does. I am going to see... Oh, I remember when this came out. It's one of these gloves that, like, I used once and then, like, never used again. I can't believe they gave, like, a nobody glove a mastery. Like, what? Why? I mean, I guess it would revive it, but... It's just a useless glove. Overkill Isles? That's awesome. Whoa. So they added new maps again. That's sick. So this is just a overkill version of the regular map. That's awesome though. I wonder what that overgrown fungus one, or whatever it was called, was. I like when they just do like twists on the classic map. Alright, I keep getting spawned in the same exact server. I'm not friends with anybody. This is so annoying. If I get sent in this server again, I'm gonna have to block somebody. This is new one, right? I recognize that guy. Okay. Oh my god. Sir Will, you're getting blocked. I'll unblock him later though. I mean, it's only a minute left. I'll just do it. I'll just wait it out, but that's really annoying. Default raceway? What? That looks awesome. Cool. They're the Among Us cars. Oh my god, you actually like can drive them. I'm stuck though. Please. There we go. Okay. No! Oh, give me the Among Us car. My Among Us. Or stop with the bus. What is that? Why is there a guide card? Yes. Bro, dude. Oh my god, what a loser. You loser. My Among Us, stop. What are you doing? Get out of here. You suck. Nah, I'm not taking this. This guy's pretty annoying. Where's my Among Us card? Give me my Among Us card. What? No. He's hacking. No, dude. Give me my dang car. No. I will not stand for this. This is bullying. This is bullying and harassment. Come on. Come on. They finished the race. Bro. This kid. Get out of my cars. But I hate this guy. I won. Where's the guide car? Stop. Bro, the second I get in any car, I get, like, murdered. Boom. Look at you guys. No, he took the Among Us card. No. That's that one shard guy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that's too bad. No, I just got comboed. Yo, booster mastery. 2 slaps and he's dead. Yep, there we go. I'm just gonna vote recursion and leave. Ooh, stop tournament. 10 null checks, I'll do that.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yes! That guy saved me, dude. I was in a pickle. My bad, gang. Okay. Oh, he got bugged. He got bugged. I cannot slap him. Is he dead? Okay. Me versus Gene. Oh, he reset for me, I think. What happened? Well, I won. Wasn't a pretty win, but I won. Make sure to say GG's. I think I'm probably gonna be done for today. This will be our last one for the day, but we still have a couple more days and we're not gonna get it. So stay tuned for tomorrow. See you guys. Guys, we got it. I was literally not gonna record today, but I had to keep my daily streak alive, so I logged on and I figured, okay, why not just do one island swap just to like see, and if I somehow get it, I'll just start screen recording. And that's exactly what happened, dude. Like, I'm just mind blown, dude. I can't believe we got it this quickly. Like, this is insane. Just look at it. It's so cool, bro. And the music in the background is the Elude song. It's so fire, bro. Oh my god. I'm actually, like, really happy. This is awesome. I really wanted to, like, actually get this. But why is there redacted again? Like, come on. Why is everyone using redacted? Should I join the dark side? I'm gonna join the dark side and use redacted. This map is so small though, it's like absolute chaos, dude. Like somebody was using frostbite and the whole floor was ice. Like this is insane. I think the reason everybody is using redacted is to like grind the mastery, and like that person was using frostbite to grind the mastery. Because like this map is so small, it's probably good for some mastery quests, you know? Here's a better view of like the walls and stuff. Jupiter. Bro, this is so chaotic, like just because it's such a small map. It's so cramped. Dude, look at how many people there are in here. This is crazy. Alright, dude, insta-killed by a redacted portal. Bro, again? Another one? Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me, dude. What? Oh my, exploiting. I didn't even do anything. I'm just getting insta-killed by redacted portals. This is so stupid. Come on, I have to make it in time. I'm in the same server. Yes, yes, yes. Oh no, a new map is here. It's the fungus one. Okay, well, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. That was a blast to do. And I hope you guys had a blast watching it too.